guys. If you're seeing this, go ahead, subscribe, like this video. What we got here today is a Ski Supreme, and I fixed this last year. Here is the hole. Definitely new. They hit it again on something, we believe even like the trailer when they were trying to load it. All the stringers inside are rotten. So before I even attempt to fix the outside, I've got to, you can see this is separated. And this goes all the way around. I don't know if somebody cut this or it just happened on its own. Hard to say. But either way, definitely some rain and moisture, what have you, getting inside here. So I've got to cut this out. I'm going to fix the stringers from inside and probably fix that repair from inside, and then kind of just do a cosmetic repair from the outside. So that is something new they've got coming up you guys can look forward to. So if you made it this far, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, you get notifications for this and other projects as they move forward. Thanks for watching.